Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're trying to change the country in the Google Play Store, I'll walk you through the process and explain what you need to know. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings, then General, and select Account and Device Preferences. This is where you'll find the option to change your country under the Country and Profiles section. Now, this doesn't mean you can switch to any random country. Google only allows you to change your Play Store country if you're physically in a different country and meet the requirements. If an option to switch is available, it will show up here. If you don't see it, that means Google hasn't detected a new location for your account yet. If a country switch is available, you may need to add a valid payment method for the new country. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Keep in mind that you can only change your Play Store country once per year, so make sure you're certain before making the switch. Once you've updated your country, restart the Play Store app for the changes to take effect. That's it. Now, you know how to change your country in the Google Play Store and what limitations to expect. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more. See you later.